learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Through the hills and valleys of Taiyuan, where three rivers flow, lies Dabekong in Sanchui Village. Originally, Dabekong was an important tea-producing region for Longtan, but over the past 2 decades, the area has been working hard at environmental conservation and renovating the community. Today, the Dabekong community has tea gardens, farm-themed restaurants, and garden trails. Plus, they preserve the ancient architecture like the historic Hakka-style Jiang Old House. The home isn't open for visits, but you can check out the nearby Jiangshan trails located on the compound's property.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, Lim Zep Siu. And this month we are bringing you to the township of Longtan. 所以今天呢，我们要到龙潭的哪一块呢？
我们今天要去龙潭有一个台北行沙旗，
台北行沙旗，台北行。是不是
就是大北坑？
大北坑对，听起来有点像台北但是大北坑社区
这里有一栋公家老屋。
OK， 公家的东西吗？
不是，江家老屋
是江家。我以为你说公家的老屋嘞。是江家。Okay，there's a lot of old houses that are worth visiting, and this one belongs to the Jiang family. The Jiang family old house， 老屋。
老屋
OK，that's an old house。为什么要到江家去拜访呢？
江家老屋它有100年的历史啊，而且这个客家的凤房里面总共有25间的间房。
间房又是什么呢？
就是房间有25间。
So this is actually a big house. It's called a 三合院, which basically is a very traditional structure, architecture. But what's amazing in this house is that they have 25 rooms.
祖孙3代全部都住在一起了。
对，没错。而且你说100年历史啊，这都很值得去看的了哈。好 ，Let's review all these vocabulary that we learned from visiting the Jiang family. 第一个就是老屋，
老屋。
Lovok, that's the old house. There are a lot of rooms inside. 有很多房间。
间房。
And this is all part of an architecture known as 三合院。
凤房屋。
All happening at this community. 其实社区我们刚刚 Saki 也有去教到了That's a community called 大北坑。大家有空去观赏一下咯。
超嘎。
That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.